Class 10. Today we are solving word problem from quadratic equation. Exercise number 5e. First questions. There are two consecutive even numbers are given. Let first even number is x, then second will be x plus 2. These two number square sum is 100. It's already given in the question. Now solving this, you will get at the last one quadratic equations and factorize this quadratic equation, break up the middle term in two parts and take common. There will be now two brackets equating with 0, each bracket equating with 0. X will come minus 8 and x will come as positive 6. So they are saying positive even number. So what is the positive even number? 6. Next will be 6 plus 2, 8. So these are the answer. Now see the question number 7, which is based on two-digit number. Let tens digit be x and unit digit be y. Then two-digit number will be 10x plus y. You know, the tens digit always comes with 10 and unit digit always comes with unit. Unit means 1. So number will be 10x plus y, two digit, and its digit product is given as 12. So x into y is equal to 12. And secondly, there is given one more relation. If 36 is added to the number, then numbers digits are reversed. Now add 36 in this number, digits will be reversed. Now this is second equation. Now from first equation, put the y value in equation number 2. So place of y, write 12 upon x. By equation number 1, place of y, write 12 upon x. Solving this, again quadratic is coming. Middle term, break the middle term and take common, equating with 0, both the bracket. Negative part you have to avoid. Now x is coming as 2. Putting the value of 2 in any one of the equation, I am putting in 1. So y is coming as 6. Now what is original number? 10x plus y. Put the value here. What is the answer? 26. Now see the question number 13. Based on age. Question based on age. Now see, Rina's present age be x here. It is given in the question. And father present is also given x square. After 5 years, what will be father age? After 5 years, there is given some relation between father and daughter age. So just take 5 year, after 5 year age. Rina's age will be x plus 5, father age will be x square plus 5. And after 5 years, father will be 3 times as old as Rina's age. So father age, and this is 3 times as old as Rina's age. 3 times this. And now open the bracket, again quadratic is coming. Two brackets are coming, equating with 0. X is coming 5 years. Don't take this negative part. So Rina's age 5 years and father present age will be x square. 5 square is 25 years. Now see the question number 20. Rectangle area is 24. Length into breadth equals to 24. Rectangle area formula. Length is already given x. Put here x. So breadth will come in the form of x. This is your first answer. They are asking breadth in the form of x. Now parameter is given 20. Parameter formula 2L plus B equals to 20. Put the value of length and breadth. Length is x, breadth is here. And after solving this, again quadratic equation, break the middle term. Again equating with 0. X is coming, both the x are coming positive. So one by one you can take x. When length is x, length is actually x. When length is 6, then breadth will be 24 upon 6, 4. By this. And similarly, when you will take breadth 4, then length will come. If you will take length 4, then breadth will come as 6. By this. So these are the answers. So both the answers are correct answer. Now see the question number 24, which is based on speed, distance and time. Let original speed of the train be x km/h and distance is given 90 km. So train has to cover 90 km distance. Speed formula is a distance upon time. Speed is x, distance is 90, time is not given. So time you can take t1. So T1 is equal to 90 upon x. Now next time speed has been increased by 15 km per hour by previous speed. Speed is x plus 15. Now again time, when speed is increased, so time will be also changed. Now this time you will take T2. T2 is 90 upon increased speed x plus 15. So these are two timings of the train. Now which time will be more? This time will be more because there is less speed. So time will be more. So T1 minus T2 equals to 30 minutes because both the timing gap is given as 30 minutes. So 30 minutes you will be changed into the form of hours. 30 by 60. So put the value of T1 and T2 here. Take LCM. Again quadratic is here. Quadratic equation. Break the middle term. 60 minus 45, 15. Equating with 0. X is coming 45 km per hour. So this is the usual speed of the train. Original speed 45 km per hour. Now see 28 question which is based on articles. Number of articles. Let number of article be X and cost price of these articles are given as 1200 rupees. So one article cost price will be 1200 upon X. According to the question, there is given 10 articles are damaged. Now number of article will be X minus 10. When articles are damaged, now selling price of one article, now shopkeeper is selling this article at the rate of 2 rupees more than the cost price of one article. So one article selling price is 2 rupees more than one article cost price. So 1200 upon X plus 2. This is one article selling price. In this transaction, overall he is getting profit of rupees 60. So total profit he is getting overall 60 rupees. So what is the profit formula? Total selling price minus total cost price equals to 60 rupees. Total selling price. One article selling price is here given. And how many articles are here to sell? X minus 10. So multiply with X minus 10. So this becomes total selling price and total cost price is 1200 rupees. Minus 1200 equals to 60. Solving this, again there will be a quadratic equation x square minus 40x minus 6000 as 0. Factorize the middle term and equating with 0. So x will come as 100. So there are 100 articles. Now children, these are the problem based on quadratic equations. Now next time we are going to take new topic. Thank you.